Got a cutlass from '84, it's the OG ride. Pillow top seats, baby, where we slide. Flat screen chillin' in the back, so fine. Call my car Sparrow, it's always on time.
Top of the morning, class, how y'all doing?
Top of the morning to y'all, how y'all doing?
Alright. George Son Cuddy came to y'all with another one about this LS wire. Oh. Or you just gonna come in my class with your do-rag on Honda Tulu Cool J. Okay. Man, you wanna take your do-rag off from the class? Oh. Okay. I tell you what, Cheviette, you still on profile?
Yes, I am.
Alright. Tell you what, I'm about to show y'all something. Show y'all like, y'all ain't listen to last class, so I know y'all probably ain't gonna listen to this class. So, we gonna get some physical training in before we get started, ho. Let's get it. Alright, Cheviette, since you on profile, I'ma have you to do overhead on clap, alright? Tulu, you get the pushing. Ho, start pushing till I get tired, ho. Since y'all don't wanna pay attention in class, I'm gonna make y'all pay attention, ho. If anybody else don't pay attention in this class, and I'm about to teach y'all gonna be next, ho. Push until I get tired, ho. Overhead on clap until I get tired, ho. Chevy, you had to take that smile off your face. Wipe it off your face right now, ho. Tulu, since you still running your mouth, go ahead and run around. Run a mile right now.
Oh shit.
Keep mouthing off, you're gonna run more. Oh. Alright, let's take it in the class. Alright, before this class start, I wanna give a shout out to, of course, Build on the Budget Senior, cause I'm junior. You know what I mean? Big motivation, of course. If y'all haven't subscribed, make sure y'all go to his page and subscribe. Do that, man, it's free. And the purpose of this video is to show some LS wiring, how to wire up your transmission, right? Alright, so I'm gonna give a shout out to the people who taught me. It was a long time ago when I saw this video, but I ran into a problem. So I had to go on YouTube. I wasn't making content then, wasn't thinking about recording or none of that. So I had to go on YouTube and I found this couple. They showed me this, so I gotta show y'all this, and I gotta make sure I shot them out, cause I don't steal no content. I'm the swapster. I steal car parts. Psych. But nah, those were my car parts now. My car parts off of my donor vehicle. But yeah, I want to give a big shout out to the Ugly Truck Experience, UTX. Make sure y'all go subscribe to their channel right now, Miss Emily and Mr. Jerry, man. Hey, if y'all got a truck, C10, hurry up and go over there. Hurry up and go. Don't wait. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Leave them a comment. Let them know 84 Cuddy sent y'all, man. They know who I am, the Swapster. But yeah, big shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all for teaching me this. It was a lot of help. So y'all stay locked, and I'm gonna show y'all what they taught me. Let's get it. Alright, like I said, shout out to Mr. Jerry and Miss Emily over there at UTX. Make sure y'all go subscribe to them. They showed me how to do this now. So we're gonna power up our transmission. So first we're gonna figure out where this power originally came from, right? So if you got a Tahoe or Suburban, Yukon, anything similar to that. So you wanna open your driver door, right? And then you're gonna see that fuse panel. That fuse panel that's on the driver's side of the dash. All right, so once you locate that, you're gonna pull that fuse panel cover and you're gonna flip it over until you see the diagram. So once you see the diagram, you're gonna locate ignition 0. It should be a 10 amp fuse. All right, I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. All right, y'all, simulating time. We at our donor vehicle, right? All right, so our driver door, you wanna open your driver door and you want this fuse panel right here, right? So you're gonna pull this cover. Boom, you got it pulled, right? It ain't nothing there, that's why I say we simulating. Please remember, everything that I'm showing y'all in any of my videos has already been done. Please stop commenting about do this, do that, and the third, bro. My junk been done. I'm just going through the processes that it took me to do it. When I did it, I ain't just doing it. I been did it. All right, so back in the class. So all right, we pull our fuse panel cover. You know what I mean? Like I said, we're gonna flip it over. All right. You wanna flip it over, and you wanna find ignition 0, which is right there. 10 amp fuse, right? So back over here, this box used to sit in here, right? So on here, let me get y'all right. Let me see. Make sure I got it right. Let me make sure I got it right. I don't. I'm gonna flip it. All right. Let me see. We're gonna flip it over like this right here. So let me come a little closer. Let me see if I can. All right. We see our 10 amp fuse right there. It's the first one on the top. Well, hold up, let me see that again now. So we looking right here in the middle. It's that first one at the top. All right, so looking over here, should be this first one right here, right? All right, bet. Let's go back into class. All right, so we back in the class. So we figure out where our power originally came from, out of the donor vehicle. We located our ignition 0 10 amp fuse. All right, so we know that's where our power used to come from, okay? So we don't have that no more, right? So, all right, so now we can go down into our SWAT vehicle. So like I said, we using our stock fuse box, right? So y'all remember in the last class, I taught y'all about the connectors, connector 1 and connector 2. You know, connector 1 is the white connector, connector 2 is the black connector. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to locate pin C9 in the white connector and pin E7 in the black connector. All right, so you asking me, what do these pin control, right? I'm about to tell you. I don't gotta tell you. If you can read it, you see it right there. If you can read, you can see it right there. But I'm gonna tell you anyway. So what pin C9 used to do, it used to run into or in correlation with the ignition 0 10 amp fuse that was inside our donor vehicle, remember? All right. And over in connector 2, pin E7, it used to run our rear O2 sensors. So remember, in our LS swaps, we don't need those rear O2 sensors. We keep the front two. We don't need we just delete the rear O2. But on this stock fuse box, you still have that pin. You still have that connector. You know what I mean? And it still has the same power that has been running from the jump. So, speaking of jump, that's exactly what we're gonna do. You see my jumper? You see right there where it says jumper? That's a jumper wire. That's why it's squiggly at the bottom. We're at the ends. All right? I learned how to draw from Mr. Jerry. Mr. Jerry taught me how to draw that. But all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our jumper wire from pin E7. It's gonna come from pin E7 and go into pin C9. And the reason why it's gonna go from pin E7 to pin C9 is because if you can read in the parentheses, pin C9 needs power when the key is on and running, right? And over at pin E7, if you read in the parentheses, it already has power when the key is on and running. All right? So that's exactly what your transmission need for these solenoids to power up for you to shift, and so that you won't be in limp mode. Cause that's really the true reason of this video. How to get yourself out of limp mode. Alright? That's all that is in this right here. For real, man. It's simple and easy. Nah, y'all thought I was done. Let me show y'all what it look like. Alright, so now we over here at the connectors. So remember last class I showed y'all, and maybe y'all can see now in the video. Hold up, let me see if I can get y'all focused. Alright, y'all can see the numbers and the letters across the top. The letters across the top and the numbers across the side, excuse me. But so in the C1 connector, which is the white one, and then we have the C2 connector, which is the black, right? So we're gonna go from the, let's see, C2 connector, the black connector, right? We wanna steal the power from E7. So you know, you got A, B, C, D, E, right? This is E1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here where you see this orange wire going into. Let me see if I can move that so you can see better. Alright, it should be a pink. It used to be a pink wire. It should be a pink wire right there. It is a pink wire. But this right here was our real O2 sensor. Pin E7 in the black connector. Alright, so we're gonna jumper this wire, which there I got this orange one. We're gonna jumper it over into the white connector, right? Pin C9. So we got A, B, C, C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let me see, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right here, let me see if I can get y'all focused. So right here, got it going right here with this orange wire right here ends it. All right, so it jumper from here to here, from here to here. All right, yeah. So yeah, that's all it takes. Take one wire and jump it to two. Right? Man, it's easy to do this LS swap like I told y'all, man. Doing it on a budget, of course. You know what I mean? Shout out to UTX, Ugly Truck Experience. Make sure y'all go subscribe to them like I said before. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And man, make sure y'all leave me a comment, man. A nice one. And quit being annoying sometimes. Y'all be tripping, bro. But yeah, man. This Drill Sergeant Cuddy, I'm signing out. I'll let y'all on the next one.
84 Cuddy, rolling so smooth, ain't nothing money.